Welcome, Velkommen. The agenda is: first, mathematics as language, or grammar. Then, trigonometry before geometry, probably makes every other boy an excited engineer. Both are pre-recorded presentations, available at themathicademy.net. Then, questions and answers. Mathematics as language. But is there a plain mathematics and a Latinized mathematics? As there is a plain English and a Latinized English. My name is Alan Tubb. I work at themathicademy.net. The United States of North America has 20 megameter shoreline. The United Lakelands of North Europe has about half. In the United States, the sea is outside. In the United Lakelands, it is inside. So, living on the shores of 406 islands, the ocean is not outside, but inside as a lake, sea in Danish. Easy to sail on, from harbor city on the west coasts, to settle in new lands, shouting, land ho! 1,000 years ago, the Vikings found many lands. England, Scotland, Ireland, Shetland, Iceland, Greenland, and Vinland. The United Lakelands became Denmark. It is a German insult for an outskirt with no Danes to tax. They looked inside forests, not outside, on the shores. Russia has another name, the Big North Atlantic Empire, preventing their fleet free access to the North Atlantic Ocean. The United Lakelands of North Europe still spans the ocean as it did 1,000 years ago. It soon saw the first Brexit. But they kept on to their Western Danish dialect, English, with some Norman Latin words added. 11 means 1 left after 10. 12 means 2 left after 10. 20 means 2 tens. Welcome, good day, farewell, thank you. Velkommen, goddag, farvel, tak du. England, North and South. We speak English, but which English? Northern Plain Danish English, or Southern Latinized Norman English? 1,000 years ago, all spoke Northern Danish English. Locally governed by an ealdorman, aldermand in Danish. After the Norman conquest, England was divided along the Trent River. Later, the Enclosure Act took the land away in the north. So they sailed to North America, still speaking some Danish. Yea, nay, in the Congress. Yuletide, instead of Christmas. Counting in scores. Lincoln's Gettysburg Address, 7 years ago. And perhaps sometimes saying 3 and 20, instead of 23. With a plain and a Latin English, is there also a plain and a Latin mathematics? Let's look at a tongue house. The word language assigns words to the outside world, in sentences, with a subject, a verb, and a predicate. The number language does the same, with numbers. Both languages have a meta-language, a grammar, describing the language that is learned before the grammar. But, why does mathematics teach language after, and not before grammar? The communicative turn, in language education. Before 1970, foreign language was taught as an example of its grammar. Then a reaction came, with the communicative turn. Halliday said, a functional approach to language means investigating how language is used, trying to find out what are the purposes that language serves for us. Likewise, Widow Sun adopts a communicative approach to the teaching of language, allowing more students to learn a language through its use for communication about outside things and actions. So, the question is, can mathematics also have its communicative turn? Is there a plain mathematics, communicating about many? Let us ask a 3-year-old, how old next time? The answer is 4, showing 4 fingers. But, reacting strongly to 4 fingers, held together 2 by 2. That is not 4, that is 2 twos. Observation 1, outside, children see what exists, and with units, bundles of twos, and 2 of them. So children use bundle numbers. Observation 2, inside, children use full number language sentences, as in the word language, with a subject, a verb, and a predicate. That is 2 twos, shortened to T equals 2 twos. Exploring the plain mathematics that grows from children's own bundle numbers, we soon find that all is different. Digits, numbers, operations, fractions, functions, equations, linearity, Calculus. Trigonometry. Why teach children, if they already know? With education curing the diagnose, uneducated, we ask. To cure, be sure, the diagnose is not already cured. Or self-referring, saying, I teach math, so you learn math. So, two core questions are: what mastery of many does children develop, when adapting to it? What is a child-grounded curriculum, in plain mathematics? Question guided, please, to be used for home education, in a virus situation. Will plain mathematics make every other boy, an excited engineer?